Welcome to the V-Series Speed Control Timer Board Calibration video. This video will cover setup of the board in any combination of speed control or timer functions. As depicted, the cover of the actuator has already been removed. Motor board wiring. In all applications, line power is supplied to the motor board, AC hot to terminal 1 and AC common to terminal 2. Speed control wiring. Wiring to the speed control timer board is not required if utilizing the timer function. Power is supplied to the motor board only, and the timer will automatically control the cycling of the actuator per the settings entered by the user. If you are using the speed control function with the timer off, control signal wires must be connected to terminals C, D, and E. Applying an AC signal to terminals C and E will drive the actuator clockwise, while applying an AC signal to terminals D and E will drive the actuator counterclockwise. Optionally, if you are using the timer function, you may connect a 12-volt or 24-volt contact closure to terminals A and B on the speed control board for remote timer reset functionality. Speed control and timer setup. The speed control and timer functions are set up using the LCD display and push buttons. If desired, the contrast of the display may be increased or decreased using the display adjust style to improve readability. Begin by selecting Program Manual Mode using the slide switch. Next, press the push button under Program on the display. Then press the push button under Start. Turn the timer function on or off as desired and press Set when finished. If you are not utilizing the timer function, you should now skip to the speed control setup section of this video. Timer setup. Select timer start direction with the slide switch. This setting determines which cycle, clockwise or counterclockwise, the timer function will start if the actuator is reset by the user or if line power is lost and restored. Set the clockwise time. Adjust the hour setting by pressing the plus or minus button. Then, press Next to switch between hour and minute settings and adjust the minutes. When finished, press Set to proceed to the counterclockwise time setup. Set the counterclockwise time in the same manner as the clockwise setting. Adjust the time at the cursor with plus and minus, select Next to switch between hours and minutes, and press Set to proceed to the next step. If you are not utilizing the speed control function, return the slide switch to the run position and press Exit to complete the programming. Replace the cover. Speed control setup. Set the clockwise cycle speed by utilizing the plus and minus buttons. A 1:1 ratio is normal speed. A 1:10 ratio will pulse the motor, slowing the actuator cycle time to 1/10 of normal speed. Press Set. For counterclockwise speed setup, press plus or minus to increase or decrease speed ratio setting, and press Set to return to program mode. If desired, press Review to review the program settings. Otherwise, press Exit to return to the main menu. Once you have made all configuration changes, change the slide switch to Run to put the system into automatic. Verify operation and replace the cover. This concludes the speed control timer board calibration video.